Hello, I'm Jeff Johnson. Welcome to a demo of iCommunicate. iCommunicate is a versatile app that allows you to take pictures on the fly from your real life and create storyboards like visual schedules, choice boards, or whatever you can imagine. When you first come in, you're presented with a list of pictures alphabetically. You can scroll down to see more, or you can search. When you tap on a row, you're presented with a larger image. When you tap on an image,
Apple,
custom audio will play if you recorded it, and if you haven't recorded custom audio,
bike,
it will convert the word with text to speech. Now let's make a new picture. There are three ways to get pictures into the app. You can take a picture using your iPhone's camera or the camera on the newest iPod Touch. You can do a Google image search, or you can select pictures from your camera roll that are already on your device. Here we're going to make a picture of a tiger that I already have in my camera roll. We'll also record custom audio. Tiger. Tiger. Next, we'll create a picture of an elephant. This time, we'll use Google Image Search. Your results are presented down here, and you can swipe through the results left and right until you find the image that you want. Then you can click on Save Selected Picture, and then you can select a new picture. Here also we'll record custom audio. Elephant. Elephant. Now, to delete pictures and storyboards, all you have to do is swipe across the row in either direction and select Delete. Now let's look at storyboards. Storyboards too are presented alphabetically, and you can also restrict down by doing searches, just like in the pictures. Here we have two types of storyboards. We have storyboards where you can have up to 4 pictures across by 10 pictures down. We call that a 10 by 4 storyboard. Now, when you're viewing this, it's just like viewing a web page in Safari. You can double tap on pictures to zoom in. You can scroll. You can double tap to zoom back out. You can also use the pinching mechanism to zoom in and out. Now to get audio to play on a storyboard, you either tap on the picture, Emma, or on its title, Emma. The other type of storyboard we have is a task completion storyboard. We show one picture at a time, and you can swipe left and right to go to the next and previous, and you can also use the up and down gesture to go to the next and previous. To get audio to play on this, Emma, you tap on the picture. Now, to get audio to play that you've recorded for the storyboard on both this view and the 10 by 4 view, you just tap on the title.
Good morning, Emma. It's Monday. Let me show you what your day's going to look like today. You're going to get on the school bus, you're going to go to school, and then you'll play soccer.
Now, the great thing about task completion storyboards is that you can add check marks to show that a step is completed. Just hold your finger on the screen for over a second to add a check mark. Do the same to remove the check mark. Alright, so let's make a storyboard now. Here we're going to make a storyboard where we're acting like we're going to take a library trip. So I'm going to enter the title. Here you'll see the two types we just talked about, 10 by 4 and task completion. Here we're going to do a 10 by 4 storyboard. Now 10 by 4s are presented with 10 storyboards with 4 pictures of each. So we tap on a row and we start adding our pictures. Now here I realize I don't have a picture of the library, and that's where we're going. So we can create new pictures on the fly while we're creating a storyboard. So here we'll do library, and I happen to have a picture of the library here in my camera roll. We'll record custom audio. Library. Now we're going to go to the library and learn about elephants and tigers. So we'll add those. Here too you can add custom audio for the storyboard, just like we did in the picture. Now you'll see it listed. And here we go. We have a horizontal storyboard about Emma going to the library, and we're going to learn about elephants and tigers. Now in both pictures and storyboards, when you're viewing them, you can edit them by clicking on the button in the upper right. Here, look, we're going to change it to a task completion storyboard. And now it's a task completion storyboard where we can add check marks to it. I'd like to show you some of the options that come with the app. You have the ability to turn off the text-to-speech when custom audio isn't recorded. You can also choose which tab opens when the app opens, because some people want the storyboards to come up, not the pictures. We also have a locking feature that prevents users from editing, deleting, and creating new pictures and storyboards. Now to access these options, we have this screen disabled. You just need to tap 5 times really quickly, and then you'll see that you can change the options. I hope you've enjoyed this demo of iCommunicate. Thank you.